my incredible viewers, let's talk about LCM, meaning lowest common multiple. The LCM of two or more numbers is defined as the smallest number that can be divided by all of the numbers. LCM is the least number that is a common multiple of all the given numbers. There are several ways to solve for LCM. First, I want us to look at the listing multiple method. The listing multiple method. This method involves listing the multiples of each number and finding the smallest common multiple. Let's say we have an example. We want to find the LCM of 4 and 6. So, first, we'll find the multiples of 4 and then the multiples of 6. So, the multiples of 4 now is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. So now, looking at these two things, 4 is here, 4 is not here. 8 is here, 8 is not here. 12 is here, and 12 is also here. And it is the least among them all that is common. So, the LCM, therefore, the LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. Now, I want us to look at another method of finding LCM. That brings us to the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. This method involves finding the prime factors of each number, then multiplying the highest powers of all the primes together. Let's say we have an example. I want to find the LCM of 12 and 18. So to do this, 12 will be equal to, now all the numbers that can go into 12 without leaving a remainder. 2 into 12 give you 6. 2 into 6 will give you 3. Then 3 here we give you 1. So we are having 2 times 2 times 3. Now the next one, 18. 2 into 18 will give you 9. Then the next thing that can go is 3. 3 into 9 will give you 3. Then 3 again will give you 1. So come here. 18 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3. This is also equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3 raised to the power of 1. Then for this one, it is still equal to 2 raised to the power of 1, because it's 1, times 3 raised to the power of 1, 2. So our LCM now will be equal to, the one with the highest power is the one we are picking. Now the 2 here is having the highest power, so we are picking this one and we are picking this one. 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2, which will give us 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4. 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 9. So this is equal to 36. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Bye.